Guys, this is it. This is it. We got the big one. We got the big one. Let's go. Oh, there we go. Let's let him. Oh, yeah. It's a striped bass. If it jumped, bluefish, but it feels like a striped bass. Oh, bro, first fish. I already knew you had to walk in there. It feels like a striped bass. Could it be? It's pulling like a striped bass. He's saying it's bluefish, so I guess we're betting. Oh, here it comes. It's a striped bass, 100% sure. Oh, it's striped bass because it's not jumping. Bluefish jump.
You got it?
Yeah. Oh shit, I think it's a striped bass. I already knew it's a striped bass. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here comes the big boy. Oh, it's a blue. It's a blue. Is it a blue? Oh no, striped bass. Alright, it's a. Striped bass. Bro.
Did it get hooked?
Yep. Yo, it has 2 hooks. Yo, do me a favor. Bring the weight and the tape measurement. That's to be 28. First fish, striped bass, but I think it's too small. Whew, sending the video to my mom. Big fish.